Hello everyone, welcome back. This week I got a new camera for my car, which is iZEEKER UH camera iD400, and I'm gonna check my camera and I'm gonna try on my car because I want to have a camera for my car, for especially for the security. Sometimes you may face some accidents, or if you park your car, someone can hit your car and they can just run away. So this camera is a good one, which I checked from the review. So I'm gonna open up the box, and after that we're gonna try on the car. So I just opened the box, and you can see we have a instruction over here, and also we have like a user manual, so you can check how you can install it in your car. We have an installation tool and a reset tool, and also a cable for file transfer to your laptop or your computer. And also there's a suction mount, so you can use this for your car. And a car charger, you have to plug your camera when you start using in your car, because the battery of this camera just for 5 minutes, so you can just set up your camera with this battery. And also you have to just use your car charger in your car to plug in the cigarette place. And before using your camera, you have to peel this off and also peel this off as well. So here is, you can just put your suction mount over here and then peel this off and use in your car. It's easy to plug in and plug out. Here is for file transfer, so you can use this cable to transfer your files to your laptop. And also here, as you can see, there is a SD card which comes with your camera. It's a MicroSD card, 32 gigabytes, so you can add any MicroSD card to your camera, which is from 32 gigabyte till 256 gigabyte. So it is just up to you. Before using it, you have to set up your camera, so I'm gonna show you how you can do that. There are some buttons over here on your camera, which the first one right over here is a power button, and second one is menu button, and third one is audio button. You can video shooting anytime you want. And this is emergency button if you see any emergency on the road, or if you want to shoot a interesting thing on the road which your camera may not be charging, so you can just push this button and save it. So when we turn it on, our camera, you'll see first thing you have to choose your language, so you can just push the emergency button right here and then choose the date and time from here. So I'm gonna just set it up here. So now it's in the video mode, so you can see the quality, and we're gonna shoot in the car as well. Before start using, please go ahead over here to the menu and choose the setup, and after that you should go to system settings. From here you need to format your micro SD card, and after that you can use it just right over here at first on. Now I set up the camera in the car, so you can see it has a wide range. So we will take a ride with the car and see how it's gonna record it.